Hello everyone. So here is the solution for question of the day posted on my Facebook, Twitter and Instagram handle. So let's check out the given question. So here in this question, if tan 15 degree is equals to 2 minus root 3 is given, then the value of tan 15 degree multiplied by cot 75 degree plus tan 75 degree multiplied by cot 15 degree is. So basically here value of tan 15 degree is given, and with the help of that we need to find the value of this given expression. So let us see what is given in this expression. First of all, here we have tan 15 degree and cot 75 degree in the first part. So what we see here, we have two angles, and in the question value of tan 15 degree is given. So what we can do to make our question easier, we can change this 75 degree in terms of 15 degree, and similarly we will change 75 degree in the second part also. So let's start with the solution. So first of all, let us write down the given thing, which is tan 15 degree is equals to 2 minus root 3. Now if we see the expression, we have cot 15 degree, so we don't need to change this 15 degree, right? So we can find out the value of cot 15 degree by using this particular value. So let us write down cot 15 degree. We can write down 1 over tan 15 degree, because we know the formula, which is cot theta is equals to 1 over tan theta, and theta here is 15 degree. So now we can put the value of tan 15 degree in the denominator. So we can write down 1 over 2 minus root 3, and in the denominator we have 2 minus root 3. So what we need to do, we need to rationalize it. So for this we will multiply, and we will multiply both numerator and denominator by 2 plus root 3. So now when we multiply this, the numerator part with the numerator part, so we will have in the numerator 2 plus root 3, and in the denominator here we have 2 minus root 3, 2 plus root 3. So basically this here we can apply the formula, which is algebraic identity, which is a minus b, a plus b. So this is equals to a square minus b square, right? So here square of 2 we can write down 2 square minus, next value of b here is root 3. So square of root 3 we can write down. So we have 2 plus root 3 in the numerator, and in the denominator 2 square is 4, and square of root 3 is 3. So basically 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 3 we have. So we can write down 2 plus root 3. In the denominator it is 1. So basically it depends on us whether we write it or not. So now we have the value of cot 15 degree, which is equals to 2 plus root 3, right? Now now coming to the expression, let us write down the given expression. Tan 15 degree cot 75 degree plus tan 75 degree cot 15 degree. So we need to change cot 75 degree here and tan 75 degree, right? So now let us write down tan 15 degree as it is, and in place of cot 75 degree, what we can write down, cot, what we can do to make what we can write down in place of 75 degree. So let's see here, if we subtract 15, because we have the value 15, so if we subtract 15 degree from 90 degree, we will get 75 degree. So we can write down cot 90 degree minus 15 degree, okay, plus in the second part also we have tan 75 degree. So similarly we can write down tan 90 degree minus 15 degree, and it is multiplied by cot 15 degree, right? Now what we can do, we can write down 10-15 degree as it is, and we know that cot 90 degree minus theta is 10 theta, right? So what we can write down in place of cot 90 degree minus theta, theta here is 15 degree, this is theta, so we can write down 10 theta, so that is basically 10-15 degree, plus in the second part we have 10-90 degree minus 15 degree, and also we know that 10-90 degree minus theta is equals to cot theta, so we can write down in place of 10-90 degree minus 15 degree, we can write down cot theta here is 15 degree, so cot 15 degree multiplied by cot 15 degree. So basically for this part we can also refer the quadrant, so let me show you. So here is the quadrant. So if we talk about cot 90 degree minus 15 degree, so that means that will basically fall in the first quadrant, and in the first quadrant everything is positive, so this value is positive, right? And we know that if we add or subtract any angle from 90 degree or 270 degree, so that things changes, that means cot is converted into 10 and 10 changes to cot, so that's why we have written 10-15 degree, and similarly for the second part we have cot 15 degree. So now we can put the values here, so we have 10-15 degree, so we can put the value 2 minus root 3 multiplied by 2 minus root 3, plus we have found the value of cot 15 degree, this value we can put it here, so 2 plus root 3 multiplied by 2 plus root 3, so that is basically 2 minus root 3 whole square plus 2 plus root 3 whole square. Now we can apply the formula of or algebraic identity a minus b whole square, which is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and a plus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can apply these two identities, so here we will have 2 square is, we can write down 2 square minus 2 into 2 into root 3 and plus root 3 whole square, this is for the first part, plus 2 square plus 2 into 2 into root 3 plus root 3 whole square. Now we can solve this further, so we will have 4 minus, this is minus 2 into 2 into root 3 is minus 4 root 3 plus square of root 3 is 3 plus square of 2 is 4, and 2 into 2 into root 3 is 4 root 3, and here we have plus sign, so plus 4 root 3, and in the last we have square of root 3, which is equals to 3. So now we can cancel minus 4 root 3 plus 4 root 3. So basically we will left with 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3. So adding these we will get 4 plus 4 is 8, and 8 plus 6 is 14. So basically we have the value 14 here. So here Option A is correct. So I hope you've enjoyed the question of the day. We post such interesting question on our social media handle every day. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Also for solutions, you can subscribe our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.